Welcome to our second video regarding the formula interpreter. We are now going to use multiline formula and conditional formula to find silence event in a microphone recording. So I will import a new file, which is called microphone silence, in my case. So this is an Excel table, it asks me which tab to import. So this is the one I want. And so let's see what do we have in this file. So we have some sound recording information, and you can see that there is some silence here in the middle. But as you can guess, this will not be real silence, and so it might be a bit noisy when I listen to the recording. So what I want is that when I want to transform the data so to have 0 millivolt in this place. So how should I do that? I will create a multiline formula. Maybe to show you, I can plot that. So I create a new file, I go to landscape, open that, and I will load the information to look at it more in detail. Okay, here I have my information. So what we're gonna do to detect this event, let's do it first graphically to understand what we're gonna do. So I will first apply an absolute value on my signal. Okay, so then here we can see that this signal can be detected a bit easier if I look, for example, for a signal of less than 2 millivolts. But still we can see some points here that I don't want to detect. So I will work on a smoothing moving average. Using moving average, I will take 3 points. And okay, let's see what happens. Oh, and now I can clearly see where I want to delete the information. Now let's do that through the formula interpreter. I go to edit, right click on the yellow area, and add edit formula channel. Okay, UniPlot always proposed me my previous formula, but in this case I don't want it. So I will select my microphone 1 channel, which is in the list of available channel. And I will first create the absolute value. So absolute value, as we just saw, I write it like this. Now, as this is a multi-line channel edition, I have to end every temporary channel using a semicolon, as I've just done. Once this is done, we will smooth it. So I will create the second temporary channel, and then I will look for a function that allows me to smooth my channel. So let me look for it. Okay, so let's use this one, smooth the width. If I have a doubt again on how to use it, I can go to the help section. And then, as I said before, something like 4 points to properly smooth it. Again, a semicolon. Okay, now I said that I want to detect all the events below 0.2 millivolts. So UniPlot comes with a set of functions to detect events. Simple events like this one. So like equal, greater, etc. So here I will use this one, compare less equals. And here I will call it silence, and I will check whenever microphone 1 apps smooth is less or equals than 0.2. Another semicolon. Okay, and now what do I want? I want to check all these events, put them to 0, and keep my original signal. So I will take microphone 1, I will call it corrected, and I will use the if then else. So again, I go in my function list. Here I have it. So the if expression. So if I am in a silence phase, then the output should be 0. Otherwise, I want the value of microphone 1. And we are done. So this will be millivolt, noise removed, the value is 2. Okay, so with these two now we validate, we go and check, and we can now see that the silence phase is equal to 0. And we are done for multi-line formulas. This was Adrian speaking. Thank you for your time. Any question, do not hesitate to write at support@uniplot.de, where our team of experts will answer all your questions. Thanks.